What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You know what time it is. It is winter in Maryland, so headed out to Whitetail Ski Resort and did a little shredding. This is Angel Drop to Drop In. Basically, this is the front side main lift, get you up to Angel Drop. That's a blue. And then drop in is a black diamond that takes you over to the back side of the mountain. So if you're a little bit more advanced, that's probably where you want to head. They have, I think, 2 black diamonds and a double black diamond as well. So conditions were really good. We had some fresh snow, about 3 inches here. So without further ado, I'm going to let the video play through. If you have any questions about the resort or snow conditions or anything like that, give me a shout. Peace. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.